Indian polity, the Constitution of the India at glance. Part 1, the Union and its territory. Article 1 to 4, second, citizenship 5 to 11. Part 3, fundamental right 12 to 35. Part 4, directive principles of the state policy 36 to 51. Part 4a, fundamental duties 15.1a. Part 5, union government 52 to 151. Chapter 1, the executive 52 to the 78. Chapter 2, parliament 79 to the 122. Chapter 3, legislative power of the president 123. Chapter 4, the union judiciary 124 to the 147. Chapter 5, comptroller and the auditor general of the India 148 to the 151. Part 6, the state government 152 to 237. Chapter 100 152. Chapter 2, executive 153 to 167. Chapter 3, state legislation 168 to the 212. Chapter number 4, legislative power of the governor 213. Chapter 5, the high court 214 to the 232. Chapter 6, subordinate courts 233 to the 237. Part 7, the state of the Part B of the first schedule deleted. Article 238 deleted. Part 8, the union territories 239 to the 244. Part 9, the panchayats 243 to the 243O. Part is 243P to the 243ZG. Part 9B, the cooperative society 243ZH to the 243ZT. Part 10, the scheduled and the tribal areas. Article 244 to the 244A. Part 11, relation between union and the state 245 to the 263. Chapter 1, number 1, legislative relationship 244 to the 255. Chapter 2, administrative relationship 256 to the 263. Part 12, finance, poverty, contract and the suit. Article 264 to the 300A. Chapter 1, finance 264 to the 291. Part 2, borrowing 292 to the 293. Chapter 3, poverty, contracts, rights, liability, obligations and the suits 294 to the 300. Chapter number 4, right to the property 300A. Part 13, trade, commerce and the intercourse within the territories of the India. Article 301 to the 307. Part 14, service under the union and the state 308 to the 323. Chapter 1, services 308 to the 314. Chapter 2, public service commission 315 to 223. Part 14A, tribunals 223A to the 223B. Part 15, elections 224 to the 229A. Part 16, special provision related to certain classes. Article 330 to the 342A. Part 17, official language. Article 343 to the 351A. Chapter 1, language of the union 343 to the 344. Chapter 2, regional languages 345 to the 347. Chapter 3, language of the Supreme Court, High Courts and so on 348 to the 349. Chapter 4, special directives Article 350 to the 351. Part 18, emergency provinces. Article 352 to the 361. Part 19, miscellaneous. Article 361 to the 367. 20, amendment of the Constitution 368. Part 21, temporary transitional and the special provinces. Article 369 to 392. Part 22, short title commencement authoritative text into the Hindi and repents. Article 390 to the 395. Not Part 7, dealing with the Part B state was deleted by the 7th Amendment Act 1957. On the other hand, both Part 14A and the 4A were added by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976, while the Part 9A was added by the 74th Amendment Act of the 1992, and Part 9B was added by the 97th Amendment Act 2011. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.